Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to display more or less items in Odoo. So let's move on to the products over here. So as you just move on to the products here, you can see that the default number is 1 to 80. That is the item displayed over here. Now, if you want to just display only a few items, you can change the number over here and you can set likewise. I just need to only consider one item over here. So here you can see that the change over here. So let's set it as 1 and you can see we are just displaying only one item over here. Now let me change it as 1 to 100 and let's find the change that is taking place over here. So now right now you can find more items which is displayed over here. And you can just switch between different views and here you can see that we can view 80 items over here, which means 80 items are displaying in the UI. Now let me change it as 1 to 8 and you can find the change over here. So that's all about displaying of more or less items in Odoo. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to connect Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.